Hello friends, my name is Rani Gurware and today's video topic is Spring Bean life cycle in Java. So today we will discuss about Bean life cycle. The life cycle of an object means when and now it is born, now it is viewed throughout its life, and when and how it dies. Similarly, the uh, the beings initiated what action is performed util it lives, and when and how it is destroyed. In this article, we will discuss the life cycle of the bean. uh, Bean life cycle is managed by the Spring container. When we run the program, then first of all the Spring container gets started. After that, the container create the instance of a bean as per the request, and then dependencies are injected, and finally the bean is destroyed when the Spring container is closed. If we want to execute some code on the bean instantiation, and just after closing the Spring container, then we can create that code inside the custom int method and the destroy method. uh, Container started, then bean instantiation, then dependency injected, then custom int method and custom utilize method, then last is a custom destroy method. We can choose custom method, name instance of int, and destroy method. We will use it in method to execute all the code has the Spring container started up, and the bean is instantiation and destroy method to execute uh, all its code or closing the container. Why to implement the life cycle of a bean? Because Spring provide the three way to implement the life cycle of bean. uh, First is uh, we will create and activate intent method and destroy method for our bean to print some message start and close of Spring container. Therefore, the three way of implemented are: first one is by XML. Second is by XML, and second is by programmatic approach, and third is by programmatic approach second, and third is using annotation.